Hey, how's it going? This is Skyler with Southern Draw Construction. We went ahead and attempted to knock out the repair on this roof, but as you can see with the shingle here that we replaced, it's starting to just fail repairability. You can see the creases forming here. So I just wanted to go ahead and just perform an actual repair attempt while the camera was rolling, so that way you guys could see what is going on. As you can see, your ladder assist markings are still all on the roof here. So I'm going to be replacing this shingle here that your guy marked up. So right here, I just got a seal breaker. I'm just trying to see if this is a far left or a far right or in the middle. And so this is a far right shingle right here. So I'm just gonna finish breaking a few of these seals. Trying to be as careful as possible. And for the adjuster watching, I'm sure you already know, but we just have to go 2 courses up to get all the nails out of this one shingle. Alright, so for the tools we'll be using today, we got the State Farm approved roof snake ready to go, got the precision nail puller, and of course a hammer. Alright, I'm gonna try to go as quick as I can. I'm recording from a pair of sunglasses and they only allow you to record for 3 minutes at a time. So as you can see, got the precision nail puller, barely lifting up on these shingles, just enough to get under here so that way we can get these nails out. Sweet. Alright, so here is the next one. Another one. Alright, got another one. One more course up. That should be good. Go ahead and pull this out. Oh, did I not finish breaking the seals? One sec. All right. Sweet. So just one thing I noticed as soon as we pulled this out is the shingle looks pretty wet on the top up here, like it's been holding some moisture. Let's just do a quick underlayment inspection real quick, just to get a full idea of the condition of this roof. So real quick, we're just gonna peek under here. And so right here, you can see the color is just starting to be discolored from water. So I mean, I could do like that and you could literally just see the stuff rubbing away. It's definitely holding some moisture under there, which is not what we want. All right. All right. I believe we just got one more nail. Alright, just installing this last nail right here. Sorry, I know the video is going out. Alright, so as you can see, we were pretty careful with this repair right here. I mean, there wasn't any cranking back on these shingles. I mean, we were as careful as we could be, seriously. But as you can see, we're left with some lingering damage that wasn't here prior to this repair. And you know, we could keep doing this and do this to all of these shingles that are, you know, being patched right now, but you know, we would just be left with more issues than we have currently. So this repair has failed, and this is not something that Southern Draw Construction is able to put their name on, and I don't think this is a repair that Allstate would want to put their name on either. If you have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.